How to set time zone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on Date and Time. On the Date and Time screen, the Set Automatically toggle is on by default. To manually change the time zone, this must be turned off first. Tap on the toggle switch to disable it. Disabling the automatic setting makes the time zone option below it selectable. Now, tap on Time Zone. A search screen appears, allowing you to type the name of a city. For example, here, I am typing London and selecting London, England from the results. After that, return to the Date and Time screen, which now shows that the time zone has been successfully updated to London, and the displayed time has changed accordingly. Following these steps, you can easily set time zone on an iPhone.